Plastics Technical Hub Channel, Next-Generation Ultra Helix 2.0 Valve Gate for fast, easy maintenance. The Next-Generation Ultra Helix 2.0 Valve Gate, engineered for fast, easy maintenance without compromising performance. This advanced system offers improved thermal stability, longer service life, and tool-free in-press servicing. Whether you're looking to reduce downtime or enhance part quality, the Ultra Helix 2.0 is designed to deliver unmatched reliability and efficiency in demanding injection molding applications. Key features: tool-free in-press stem replacement, superior gate quality and consistency, extended maintenance intervals, compact, drop-in design. Learn how the Ultra Helix 2.0 can streamline,